What's up, guys? This is Jeff with Shock Surplus. This time we got a good unboxing for you GX470s out there. This is going to be the Eibach Pro Truck lift kit. This is a full kit, 2 to 3 inch lift in the front with 2.2 inch lift in the rear. This is a full kit with front struts and new springs, and then rear shocks with rear springs, along with the rear spring adapter to convert your old air system to the spring system that comes in the kit. So you got a big box here. So in the center, we got the front springs. And your front shocks. These are adjustable. These are a strut, a ride height adjustable snap ring style strut. You have 4 settings here to set the lower mount adjuster at. And once you got those out, you have your rear conversion kit, the coil spring conversion kit. Some good stickers welcoming you to the Eibach family. The instruction sheets are online on Eibach's website. And then you got your rear shocks here, and your rear coil springs. Damn, that's a lot of shit. All right, so once you got everything out of your box, you should have the 2 rear Pro Truck lift springs and 2 Pro Truck lift springs on the front, and then your front and your rear Pro Truck sport shocks. Fronts are going to be ride height adjustable, allowing that 2 to 3 inch lift range with their Pro Truck springs. So depending on how much you want to go, you make those adjustments prior to assembling the struts and throwing them on the truck. And the key component to this kit and getting this kit to work on your GX470 is going to be this conversion. This will convert your rear springs, or your rear air spring, to allow you to run the new Eibach Pro Truck lift springs. Again, this is the Pro Truck lift kit for up 2 to 3 inch lift in the front with a 2.2 lift in the rear. Eibach is going to be putting out more stuff for your GX470 in the near future, so stay tuned for that. So that wraps up the lift kit. We are going to be doing an install video for you guys soon, as well as a ride review to let you guys know how we are enjoying them. Eibach is going to be putting out more stuff for the GX470, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions, give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to answer those for you.